Hello learners, welcome to this video. I'll be giving a course description for this course, Fundamentals of Neural Networks, which has the code ODCS 4448. Remember, this course provides a comprehensive foundation in neural networks, equipping learners with the knowledge and skills needed for both theoretical understanding and practical application. The emphasis on ethical considerations ensures that learners approach neural network development with a responsible and ethical mindset. So for this particular course, we'll have some learning outcomes. And we say that upon completing this course, learners will be able to, one, they'll be able to develop a clear conceptual understanding of neural networks, including their definition, structure, and historical development. They'll also be able to recognize the pivotal role of neural networks in machine learning and artificial intelligence. They'll be able to differentiate between various types of neural networks, including feed-forward networks, convolutional and recurrent neural networks. They'll be able to understand how to implement neural networks, including selecting appropriate tools and frameworks, and designing and training basic models. And finally, they'll be able to identify ethical considerations in neural network development. This course will also have some prerequisites and requirements. The first prerequisite is the basic knowledge of linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Another is a familiarity with the programming languages, particularly Python is needed in this. You'll also basic knowledge of using software tools. The student needs some basic knowledge of using software tools, such as an integrated development environment and IDE. So requirements for this particular course. So for a student to be able to complete this course successfully, he or she need to have access to a laptop that is installed with operating system Windows 10, and also Microsoft Office 2013 should be installed. That is 2013 or above. Can even install 2016, 2019, or even 2021. The course may also be accessed through a tablet or smartphone. But remember, when it comes to designing the neural networks, you need a laptop or a computer. We also need a connection to the network since the course is offered online. So ensure they have a network with a sufficient internet speed. So assessment criteria for this particular course will include 75% and above class attendance. So ensure that you attend at least 75% of the classes. You're also required to actively participate in the class. Cat 1, which will be at 30%. The date will be communicated by the facilitator. Cat 2 will also be 30%, and the date will also be communicated. Designing a neural network will be a project to design just a basic neural network, which will carry 40% of the marks. And finally, you have an end of term exam, which will be out of 100. So, know your facilitator. The facilitator for this course will be David Mugambi. And remember, Mugambi has masters in artificial intelligence. So he has vast practical knowledge in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and of course, the incredible world of neural networks. The goal of the facilitator is to ensure that each learner not only understands the theoretical aspect of neural networks, but also gains the confidence to apply this knowledge in real-world scenarios. So the course will also need a textbook, that is a recommended textbook that you can get from the library. You can see it by Arts John. called Introduction to the Theory of Neural Networks Computation. So ensure that you have access to that book so that you can be able to reference what is taught in class and to look for more information. Course support. So in case you have some questions or you need some assistance or clarification, ensure that you reach to us through this email, support@bdyangucollege.ac.ke. Remember that emails are usually responded to during working hours. So if you send an email during over the weekend, it will be answered during the working hours. So feel free to ask questions, share your thoughts, engage in discussions with your peers. Remember, learning is a collaborative process, and we are here to support each other. So welcome and feel free, and hope you will succeed in the course. Thank you.